welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm here with my daughter and she and I are going to be doing some more alphabet art today. We're going to be drawing things that start with the letter T.
T.
Like a turtle, a train, and a tree.
Tree.
Should we do the little saying to help us remember?
Yes.
Okay, ready, set, go. Big T, little T. What begins with T? Turtle, train, tree. T, T, T. All right, let's get drawing.
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay, so the oval eyes for the turtle, they kind of curve towards each other.
That's perfect.
And then you're gonna do the pupil part, kind of like a half circle. Yeah, and then another line around it. So cute.
Mine is wonky.
I love yours.
Mine is gonna be that.
And then you put a little cute little smile in between. And I think I'm gonna put eyelashes on mine.
I don't want to.
All right, and then little eyebrows right above it. And then the turtle's face, head shape, goes like this, and then it kind of flattens out at the bottom. Goes up.
Look at mine.
Oh, cute.
I don't think I have room for the tree in there.
Well, we can just draw the train and tree smaller. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the shell like this.
Okay.
That was kind of a wonky rainbow shape, but do it something like that.
Oh no. Looks
then-
like a sea turtle.
That's okay. We like sea turtles too.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you gotta draw the bottom part of the shell like this. So draw the bottom part, yeah. And then in the bottom part, there's these little sections. And then in the top part, there's also sections. And the way you're gonna do it is you're gonna do two diagonal lines coming towards each other. And then you bring them together with a straight line. And then you're gonna curve down that way, and then curve down that way. And then you're gonna do one more section down there like that. And then you can draw like cool designs on the inside. Little spirals or G's or squares. Cool. All right, so there's the shell. Oh, yours is so cute. I love your drawings. All right, so now the neck, one line going up, and then before you draw the other line, draw a leg real quick down here, like that. Yeah, right there. And then from that leg, that's when you draw
I
the
want to
other
do
line
some
up.
toenails.
Oh, toenails. Yeah, I forgot toenails. Good job.
A little skinny neck
And then
to
the
hold
other
up
leg.
this big head.
Yeah, that is a skinny neck. So the other leg would go there. There's the toenails. Okay. And then the other leg comes back here and curves the opposite way.
We need 4 legs.
Yep. And then the other leg is just kind of hiding back here. Probably only... Oh, I like how yours is. Don't worry. And then turtles have a tail like this.
This looks cute.
That is so cute.
Everybody has tails. Besides this.
I am going to put little freckles on mine because I think freckles are cute. And then when I'm coloring it, I'll put a little blush on it. All right. So I think I want to do the train down here. That's cute. All right. So for the train, we're going to make a triangle in this corner. This is the front of the train. So you can just make a little train. Yep. And then right next to it is this rectangle shape.
You can add some little lines.
Oh, you could, yes. And here's the steam engine part. So we make a rectangle there.
Steam engine.
And
You
then
can do some
a
smoke.
sideways rectangle. You could have smoke coming out of it. And then back here, we're going to make a taller rectangle.
Where the person drives.
Now I left a space down here because I wanted to put wheels. I made the space maybe too big, but that's okay.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you can just put yours under it. Mine is going to do something called overlapping. So I'm going to draw my lines underneath, but yours can just go underneath like that. And then
I did it.
Good job. Now I'm going to draw one more rectangle right here at the very top.
I'm trying to do it this second.
Cool. All right, so that's the front of the train. And then the back of the train, we're going to draw 2 rectangles.
Little connector.
Yeah, a little connector between. And then you can draw some wheels in there too. And then a connector. And then 2 more wheels. And then another rectangle. And then you can make these into diagonal lines going upwards and out like that. That's where they hold the coal.
Wait, this is a coal train?
Yeah.
This is the coal partner.
So like a rectangle on the top and then...
And this is the...
So yeah, you could draw some coal in there, huh? All right.
And then this is the quiet part.
Oh. So that's our train. T for train.
How do you write?
Train. T-R-A.
No, how do you write?
S-H-H.
S-H.
H.
H. S-H.
So that's the part of the train where people are supposed to be quiet?
Yeah.
That's cute.
Oh, and this is...
All right, now let's draw a tree.
This is the food.
Oh, the food part of the train, yeah.
Can't want to have some food.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to draw a little person in there.
I love it. All right, so now we're going to draw a train. So we can start at the bottom. So the train is right next, the tree is right next to the track of the train. Lots of T words, huh?
I don't have one.
Well, it can be a small tree or a big tree. You can draw branches like this, like I'm doing. If you want to learn how to draw branches, follow me. You do this.
If you want to learn how to do an owl, you do this.
All right, and then once I've drawn my branches, that's when I go ahead and I draw my green part.
There.
So this is how you draw a
Look at
tree.
my tree. Look at my tree. Look at my tree.
It's so cute.
And then you can add a little grass.
Yeah, you could draw grass at the base. And you can draw lines like she did. And you can draw an owl hole if you want to. That's so cute. Should I draw one?
Yeah.
All right. Now let's draw a big T and a little t. Should I do block letters or no? I'll do block letters. Okay.
I'm doing block letters too, but...
So that's how you do a big T. And then a little t is like a cross.
I did it.
Yeah, like that.
Big T, little T, what begins with T. Turtle train, train.
T,
T, T, T, T, T.
Good job. All right, well now we can color it. Thank you so much for drawing with us. We hope you had fun doing alphabet art, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos, and we'll see you next time.